Alright, your solution for making the spray for tinting, you need Johnson baby shampoo and then distilled water. The main reason why you want to use distilled water is you never know what's in your water. You could have little minerals in it and that could affect your tint. And this right here is just a pump sprayer. It's actually used for plants, but it works for this process too. Well, until it's almost all the way full. You don't have to fill it all the way full though, because then when you go to pump it up, it could cause some problems. And shampoo, don't need too much of it. That's plenty. Can't really see it in there. And you just take your top. Give it a few shakes and pump it up. That's how you make your these are the products you'll need for prepping your back window for tint. The main reason why you want to do this is because you got to do a heat shrinking process for the tint to conform to the window. It would be like if you take a piece of paper and try to put on something curved, it's going to either get wrinkles in it or something else. The first thing, spray the window. You want to get all the dirt off of it. I find it easier just to use a squeegee and squeegee the dirt off. There's not much dirt on this car really anyways, but when you go to peel the tint apart, it's nice to have everything clean and you don't have to worry about anything getting onto the tint, causing trouble when you apply the tint. Next thing, this is before the tint. This is just a towel you use in the dryer. You want to spray that a little bit with your solution and then just rub it on the back window. All this is doing is it's basically smearing the back window but putting solution on it, so when you go to put the tint on the back window to heat shrink it, it sticks but it doesn't stick. Kind of, you might not be able to see in the video, but it is creating a haze on it. After you do this, you want to wait about 5 minutes, give or take, until it's actually dry on the back window. Some bigger windows you may need 2 of these, but this one's fine with just 1. And that's it. This is what you'll need to clean the back window of the car. I did put a garbage bag down. They do get in the way. They are a pain to use, but it's kind of nice when you can use it, just because you don't have to worry about anyone complaining about too much moisture in the car, which it's not really going to hurt it. As you can see, the back window, I still have the solution on the back of it, but just spray it. Main thing you'll learn when you start tinting is it doesn't hurt to put too much stuff on, too much solution. You just gotta make sure you mix your ratio correctly, because that can mess you up if you have too much soap or not enough soap. So you do that, spray it, and then right here's just a little type of scrub pad. No chemicals or anything like that are on it though. You don't want like an SOS pad. And just go along the dot matrix and stuff up here. You want to make sure you clean that real well. But if there's any like stickers that were on the back window or anything like that, you'll have to use a utility knife, just the blade, and scrape the stuff off. When you're working with something that has a heated back window, that can cause problems though, because the last thing you want to do is start pulling that off. But clean the back window, anything you tint, extremely well. Alright, then I'll take my squeegee and I'll clean everything off.